Hi everyone and welcome to this video. We're talking about how to log in Sabadell bank accounts. So all you have to do, go to Google and search for Sabadell bank. This is the keyword you can see here. Click the first result here. On this page, click access this one. When you click on the access, you will redirected to login page. So all you have to do, enter your all details such your account names and your password. So friends, when you write your password, choose your other this one TNI and then click login. So this is for web. If you want to log in your app, just download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can log in with your credentially information such your ID and password. So friends, basically this is easy steps. Just click install this Banco app and then complete your login process. If you have any question down below in the comments, and thanks for watching this.